MeghalayaPost.news.
Kumkaway nakatong mandangkan tiu susu ia kamri jingri hapo kajala ka sorkar jala lembaga tanat animal husbandry and veterinary department mentakasngi kilayo banbu yang monongrem ha Kyndemkulai na menta banbu ya ka regional cement production laboratory and cement bank kibade na menta ban pynkha symbai ya kilang brod bat kiblang lane ka national livestock mission yau ne monongrem lawan banbu nongrem dau ba elhek menteri katanat animal husbandry and veterinary kumkwangsan bala sakilang ru daga jingdonlang uba FR Karkungor principal secretary katanat animal husbandry and veterinary ka Dr. M. Karchandi, Director, Wiki Officer, Bakinong Rijingri na Ribuai District. Kajing wara jong ka sarkar, ya kate ka Regional Cement Production, Laboratory and Cement Bank, kade ka thong bandang kentiu, ya kam Rijingri, na kabanta ban ajing muntoy, ya kinong Rijingri, hapok kani kacela.
This state-of-the-art facility will enable us to collect, process and distribute high-quality goat semen, facilitating the widespread adoption of superior breeding practices. By leveraging advanced reproductive technologies, we can accelerate genetic progress, enhance disease resistance and increase the overall productivity of our goat population. Goat breeding plays an important role in the livelihoods of millions of farmers in the rural community. Goats provide a source of income, nutrition and employment for many households. However, the productivity of goats is often limited by factors such as poor breeding practices, inadequate nutrition and disease. Artificial insemination is a powerful tool for improving the breeding of the goats. By using artificial insemination, farmers can access to superior breeding stock from anywhere in the country without the need for physical transportation of the animals. As we lay the foundation of this critical infrastructure, we are not just building a facility, we are investing in the future of our veterinary sector and the well-being of our rural communities. I am confident that this goat semen station will become a hub for innovation and excellence in goat breeding and serving as a model for other regions and other states to follow. Let us work together to ensure the success of this initiative and to harness the full potential of goat breeding for the benefit of our farmers, our community and our state.
We know that the livestock sector is very closely linked to the livelihoods of our population. Especially in Meghalaya, we have largely an agrarian economy. And with a largely agrarian economy, livestock is extremely critical. It has been part of our livelihood for centuries and it continues to play a very important role. When we talk about various schemes and projects that are there under the ambit of the animal husbandry and veterinary sector, each and every component is linked towards creating better employment avenues and better livelihoods as well as income for the rural masses. We all know about poultry, we are very familiar with piggery, but when it comes to goatery, perhaps goatery has not seen that kind of an upswing in our state on the same lines as with other sectors. So the setting up of this infrastructure, of these units today, pertaining to the cement production factory as well as the cement bank, is a huge momentous step in that direction. Goat rearing plays an enormous role in the livelihoods of millions of farmers as well as rural communities worldwide, across India and across the world. Goats provide a sense of, they provide a source of income, nutrition as well as employment for many households. However, the productivity of goats is often limited by poor breeding practices, by inadequate nutrition and by disease. It is to surmount these challenges of poor breeding practices, inadequate nutrition and disease, that this infrastructure, the Regional Cement Production Laboratory and the Cement Bank for sheep and goat, is being set up. And we fully trust that with the setting up of these two units, it will lead to improved genetics. When I talk about improved genetics, it means access to high quality semen from superior breeding bucks, which can improve the entire genetic makeup of the goat herds.
But I said no. It is the collective efforts of every one of us. Not a single man can build anything which we can do it together as a team. So right from the principal secretary, the director, or right from the staff below, those are there on the ground. Their effort also, there's a team where we can achieve anything there which we are dreaming in our life. So we are thanking you so much to all of you for putting all the efforts together, make us a team for this program. So today we are going to lay the foundation stone. We are going to start this project. What is important for any project is the sustainability. The project has to be productive. It cannot be a liability to us. That is important in our role when we are there. We are also employees. We are a servant. We are working here. We are here to serve, not to be served. We have to take the responsibility to ensure that this project is productive and also has this sustainability. It has to be there. Otherwise, if, like many other projects of the state, I'm not talking only veterinary department. I remember once upon a time when I was first elected in 1998, late Bibi Lindo had told us the government should not do business. Let the people or the business people should do business, not the government. But anyway, but this is the government project. We have the sole responsibility to ensure that this is productive. We create employment also, we create job for the others by having this kind of deep project. So that's why I humble request, my appeal to each one of us, including myself and everyone, take this project as your own, of our own project. This is not a government project. Then only we will see the productivity and we'll see also the sustainability of this project. So I wish all of you to take the responsibility. Take this as a duty bound. We have a duty bound. We have the responsibility to ensure that anything we are doing for the welfare of the states of Meghalaya.
MeghalayaPost.news